Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you back into my channel. Today we'll be learning something about MS Word. There are three features which we are going to see today for viewing and formatting options in MS Word. The very first feature we are going to look at is Clipboard. Using Clipboard, it enables users to paste different segments in different places in the document. When we select a text segment, it's automatically stored on the clipboard. When we copy two or more text segments and click on paste, only the last selected text will be pasted. We can view the list by clicking on the clipboard dialog box launcher on the home tab. I'll be just showing you how does it look like. Dialog box launcher on the home tab in MS Word. I have typed 3 lines for you and I'll be showing you the working of clipboard. The very first line, I'm copying it and pasting it over here. Then I'm copying the second line, and I have decided to take the third line with me as well. I'm taking the third line as well. I have copied two segments now. Whenever you are copying two segments of text at a time and pasting, only the last selected segment have been pasted but not the previous one. Means the second line is no more there. Actually, I've copied that as well along with the third line. Only the last line is pasted but not the previous one. Where has this line gone? The second line has just kind of saved for you. Clipboard, home tab, and there is a small arrow over here at the rightmost edge. What happens when we are clicking it? It's showing you the clipboard dialog box launcher. This is the place which is called clipboard dialog box launcher, and it's saving all the text which you have copied before to be used later. I'll be taking the second line. Actually, I missed it over here. I'll be putting my cursor at the right place, and then I will just paste, and the text would be pasted wherever you want it in the long document. It could be a small text or long paragraphs. No matter what you are copying, it is getting pasted by itself and stored for you on clipboard to be used later ever you are in need of it afterwards. This was actually the clipboard dialog box launcher, and now we'll be looking at another feature of Word, which is viewing a document. A Word document can be viewed in different ways. The viewing styles, there are 3 styles which we are going to see today. These styles can be accessed from the View tab on the ribbon or by clicking on the relevant icon on the status bar as well. There are 2 places from where you can access to these styles which I'm going to show you. Actually, these styles or these are the layouts available for you in MS Word. You can access them from View tab and status bar. What are these layouts? The very first one is draft layout, which displays the document as a draft so that the text can be edited quickly afterwards. Second layout is full screen reading layout, which is used to maximize the reading space. And then web layout, which allows us to view the document as it would appear as a web page in the browser. Let's see what are they and how can we see their effect in MS Word. Right now we'll be going, there are 2 accessible places for you for those 3 layouts. The very first one is View tab, and over here on the status bar, these are the icons which are accessible for you as well. We'll be going to View tab, and by default it's print layout. It's activated by itself. By default, it's print layout, visible to you right now in front of you. And then I'll be showing you draft layout first. Draft. It's kind of a layout which displays the document as a rough draft so that the text can be edited quickly whenever you are in need of it. This was all about draft, and then I'll be taking you reading layout, full screen reading layout, or reading view, which is used to maximize the reading space. And our eyes don't need to get stressed because of small text. It's easy to read text over here on the screens in this layout, which is reading layout. Read layout is already accessible over here on the status bar as well. These both features are the same. Now web layout. This is web layout, which is allowing us to view the document as it would appear as a web page in the browser. These are the three layouts which we have seen today. Let's see what's next for us. Actually, it's the zooming features, zoom settings. It enables us to zoom in and zoom out of a document. Zoom in makes the text appear larger. Zoom in makes the text easier to read as well. On the other hand, zoom out makes the text appear smaller. They are opposite to each other. Zoom in makes the text appear bigger, and zoom out makes it smaller. The default zoom settings on Microsoft Word is 100%. We can change it from View tab as well. Let's see how does it work. Right now, we'll be looking at zoom settings. Zoom, and already default setting is 100% for you. We can change it from here. This is 100%. I'll be showing you the result of 75%. You can see the text over here as well. Okay, it's getting smaller. Actually, zoom can change its setting from here as well. 200%, making the text bigger. Okay, looks like this. This feature is available over here. Zoom in. You are making the text appear bigger to you now. And on the similar manner, zoom out. We'll be making it smaller for you, no matter how much do you want it. It's not even readable. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.